This is a camcorder. It can see through 50 to 200 feet in total darkness, perfect for tactical walk. But this is an infrared night vision binocular. It can see clearly without infrared in low light, and it can see clearly 1000 to 1500 feet in total darkness. At first, it's a camcorder. This is a footage in my room.
我们还要怕黑，那我就用那个夜间模式来给点颜色给你看。马尼亚，好，首先是国房间，我用夜间模式，哇，这个夜间模式也太牛逼了，就像是厕所，哇，然后我们干嘛把厕所是开着的？以为我是谁呀？我怕黑的，看，哇，这还好啊，以为我是狗啊。接下来是你房间了，没风景。
这个颜色。This is a footage in the park. I'm using my camera adjust to ISO 100, the low sensitivity, and open the infrared light. The infrared light is not clear. If I open the indoor infrared light, wow, it will be really good. So the conclusion, phone is not suitable for low light photography with normal, but if I use 32 seconds of shuffle speed and ISO 6400, so I can see through nearly total darkness. But the only problem is we'll need tripod, or else I'll feel so shaky though. Almost done. So the conclusion is, wow, I can see clearly, guys. With the shutter principle, I can see really clearly in nearly total darkness in the park. So see, that was functional, really good. Even the slides, it looks like evening. It changed the day and night. So wow, the conclusion is the shutter principle is suitable for night vision photographies. Next up, infrared night vision binoculars. It can see really clearly with HE full color mode in daylight and low ambient light. When it's totally pitch black, there's multiple levels of infrared levels, so it can see through 300 to 400 meters at maximum. This is a daytime effect to see the house like 200 meters away. This is the footage in daytime. So the daytime effect, so the totally is 20 times totally zooms. Okay. This is what I saw in the apartments. But what happened in nighttime? This is a nighttime effect without infrared. Infrared level 3 and zoom it all over. So okay, I can see clearly in, but it's too bright in like 30 to 50 meter range. So this is the total footage at night time.
Kaleo ist das so für die Faust mit
So this is gonna be a total footage of the infrared night vision binocular device. So this is the long range low light effect in town parks. There's a fisherman and I can see a target lasers over here. So this is an effect of the infrared mode. So this is what will happen if I zoom it into maximum. So this is gonna be a longest range ambient light effect. This is gonna be a long range infrared effect. This is the reality of infrared effect. The mountain in 2 to 3 kilometers away. That's why the manual book said when it's ultra weak light, it can see from 0.5 meter into infinity. But oops, low power. This is the effect that I can see through over 1 to 3 miles. That was crazy.